What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing analysis on Rumble company.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, this asset has some kind of weird price action, and this is definitely because of its recent acquisition. It is a merger with, let me show you, if you switch to hourly, for example, time frame, you can see that it is a CF Acquisition Corporation 4, and that becomes a Rumble basically this Monday. And if you switch to daily time frame, you can see its previous price action, and from its base price of roughly $10, this asset went higher for just several sessions for about more than 67%. And definitely it is quite a huge movement, and we have to take a closer look on its recent price action. If I switch to hourly time frame, we don't have much price action. We have just its recent movement on the Monday for about 46%, and for now it is in some kind of retracement mode. And that's why we have to take a closer look on its price action, and I will show you in my technical analysis what should we expect next. So, and let's continue with its fundamentals. We are on rumble.com website, and basically this website, let me show you right here that Rumble is an online video platform and cloud services business headquartered in Longboat Key, Florida and Toronto, Ontario. It was founded in October 2013 by Chris Pavlovski, a technology entrepreneur from Canada. And here is this website, and it is quite similar to YouTube in some manner, but it has a major difference that stated in their press release that this company has more freedom of speech to the people who publish their opinions on this website. And let me show you the Chris Pavlovski statement. And he said, "We are Rumble. We are for people with something to say and something to share, who believe in authentic expression and want to control the value of their own creations. We create technologies that are immune to cancel culture, because everyone benefits when we have access to more ideas, diverse opinions and dialogue. Join us. We are on a mission to protect a free and open internet." And definitely this is a quite popular idea to have more freedom of speech, but let's take a look on this company in the next couple of years, and this will be the huge potential for the community to show this freedom of speech. And let me show you that we have a lot of news directly related to this company, and this company just became public. And let me show you right here on stocktweets.com website, we have RUM ticker symbol on the first place on the trending section. We have this on the second place in the most active section, and we have this company on the first place in the watcher section. This means this asset has a lot of support from retail community, and definitely it is one of the most popular stock right now, and that's why it has the highest volatility that it ever had. That's why we have to be very cautious. And if you want to invest in this asset, I have to say that for now it is not the best point where you can do so, because if you just discovered this asset, it is not the way where you can make the proper due diligence. And let me show you some details about their potential dilution. We are on Seeking Alpha, and I will put the link on this article in the description below. You can read it by yourself, but let me quote you this. Current CFVI shareholders need to understand that under the terms of merger, there is going to be a potential for massive dilution. There could be an additional 105 million shares given to current Rumble shareholders, not current CFVI retail shareholders. They get 50% of the 105 million if going forward RUM trades above $15 for 20 days within a 30-day period, and another 50% of 105 million shares if RUM trades above $17.5 for 20 days within a 30-day period. These shares are given, or as they term, earned, they do not raise additional cash. Given the current stock price, it's fairly likely that these 105 million shares will flow to current Rumble shareholders. And definitely this might be the dilution of new shareholders of this company, and that's why you have to be cautious with your medium-term investment in this asset. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. Definitely on hourly time frame we cannot do any technical breakdown of this movement. We just can measure the length of this movement to the upside. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from its bottom to its top, as you can see, this asset hit only first range of potential support and it bounced from it perfectly well. And it is the price point of roughly $15.88. And if you will take a look on the indicators, basically we don't have any indicators on hourly time frame. And this means that we don't have any meaningful data to make a major technical analysis. But if you switch to 5 minutes time frame, as you can see, we have some kind of movement, we have several waves in its path to the upside, and right here on RSI we clearly see bearish divergence. And the bearish divergence is the pattern when we have lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action. And this means in upcoming session we can start with the movement to the downside, but everything will depend on volume. And if the volume will continue to ramp up, definitely we might break this divergence, and it is not set in stone that we might have this retracement. But if we'll take a look on a daily time frame, if we zoom out a little bit, as you can see, we have on a daily time frame the bearish divergence as well. We have lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action. This means eventually this asset might go lower and hit lower targets, and that's why we have to be prepared for this. Because for now, I have to say that it is very volatile and very risky asset, and if you want to enter your long-term investment position with this asset, just wait when this asset will have a major retracement, when it hits some lower targets. In my opinion, it might be, let me make this tool a bit longer, from the $10 mark to its highest point of $17.18. And in this case, we might land at roughly $12.54 to $12.77 mark. And in this case, this range might be quite a decent range to enter your medium-term or even long-term position. Because from this level, we might have at least a bounce and we might have some kind of movement to the upside that probably will benefit existing shareholders. So, and what should you do in upcoming session? In my opinion, just wait for the confirmation of new uptrend, or wait for this movement to the downside when we will unload the indicators, when we will have this divergence basically eliminated. And in this case, on the retracement, you will be able to enter your position, but do not put all of your money inside this asset, because it is very volatile right now and you can lose a lot of your capital just in a matter of a couple of hours. That's why wait for more confirmation and be more conservative trader. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it.